Hi, today I'm going to share with you how not to do your video conferencing calls. I've noticed a lot of people doing video conferencing calls today have not set up their camera properly or are not in the right environment, and they actually sometimes end up showing things that should not be in the video conference calls. So here are some of the things that you should never do, and at the end of it, I'm going to share with you what you should do. So this is the most common mistake that people make. It's not positioning the camera properly to show the best of them. And of course, this, as you can see right here in this video, we are looking to the ceiling. You can see my fan, you can see my light, and you can of course have a look up my nostrils as well. That's a bad idea. So as you can see, this is actually a top-down angle. Most people put their web cameras above their monitor screen. This is also not a very ideal shot because it's looking downwards to you, and if you notice carefully, it makes my body look a little bigger and I can see some of the mess at the back. So not a good idea. So this is how you should be positioning your camera, at an angle so that you can actually look into the camera at the side angle. It gives a bit of your shoulders, doesn't cut off too much, and of course always sit in an upright position and lean a little forward towards the camera so that when you're talking to your clients, it looks like you're engaging them in a more personal basis. Contrast this with something I'm going to show you. Okay, this is another angle that I've set up, which is not very ideal as well. Number one, look at my back. It's a whole mess over there, and you can see all the towels and stuff. So do not leave your personal things all the way there. They should be at least out of the screen. The second thing that's wrong with this video is the way I'm sitting. If you notice, I'm actually slouching backwards and leaning back on my chair. So when you lean back on your chair, it tends to give people a kind of look that you're kind of lazy and you're not really engaged in the conversation. So I suggest, instead of doing that, a very easy adjustment is to follow some of the tips of having a good posture, such as sitting up like that. Makes lots of difference. I hope you enjoyed those tips. It's very easy to implement. Just follow some of the steps that I gave earlier in the video, and you can have a much better video conferencing call, and also probably a higher success ratio of closing your sales and your cases when you do a non-face-to-face conversation in video conferencing. All the best, and if you like this kind of video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll be giving more tips on how you can improve your A game. Yes, I know a lot of you guys have been commenting about my hair. I've done it much better now, right? Does it look good? And you've also commented that I'm not wearing formal enough. So here I am, donning a jacket. So does it make a difference to you? Although I honestly think if I'm doing a video from home, I don't need to wear a jacket because it looks too formal. But what do you think? Let me know.